again, oh.
A married woman like yourself sleeping outside your matrimonial home. I said, where on earth were your hands coming from?
Don't slap me again, oh. I'm just respecting you because you're a man. Don't hit me. Don't you dare raise your hands on me again.
I said, where?
Leave me alone. What is it? Eh? What is it?
I'll kill you today.
See? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Oh. This man. Look at this man. Look at this man. Hey, wait. Leave me alone. Shameless man. Shameless. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I said.
Where
you coming from?
Leave me alone. I'll put your eye. I'll put your eye.
What nonsense? What nonsense? How can trained officers like you let a woman escape from your custody? Duru!
I wasn't around, sir. I just got to the station now.
Sir, she was writing her statement when you called. And on my return, she was gone. But the constables are after her, sir.
Can you hear yourself? You must apprehend that woman. If you do not apprehend that woman, I will have your heads. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now get out of my office. Get out of my office now.
Sorry, sir.
I dedicate all my life to fighting crime in this community, and I'm working with incompetent police officers.
You never talk with me, fine.
I will tell you that I am an honest man.
Leave my waist.
I sold breast for Port Harcourt and I learned apprentice for
Leave
Lagos.
my waist. You never talk with me, fine. Sound your eye.
Leave
my waist.
If you try it, I will.
You don't want my waist. Tim!
This is what I want. This is what I
want. I will show you. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Landlady, leave me.
Always beating.
Landlady, leave me.
Mama is not beating. I thought you were serious.
You are supporting her.
There's nothing
to sleep on my husband's house.
How can you beat up your wife?
Where is it? Come here.
Yes, sir.
Which way did she go?
I guess.
Come, stand over here.
Stand
over here.
Yes, sir.
Which way did she go?
Sir, I guess she ran through Kanwankwo Road.
You guess? Is your head shaking?
No, sir.
Up till now, you're still guessing.
Sorry, sir.
Did she give you money?
No, sir. God forbid, sir.
God forbid, sir. Look, I am not comfortable working with you anymore. Do you hear that? I am not comfortable working with you anymore. Duru, I left my gun on my table. Go and get it for me. I'll start the car.
Yes, sir.
You.
Sir.
You.
Sir.
I'm going to deal with you and that stupid woman. Thank you. Let's go. Mama! You're looking...
Mama! Look at this man! Hey! Look at this man! Hey! Look at you! Leave my man alone! Come on, leave my man alone! Away! Mama! Away! Mama, sorry!
I will deal with you in this house!
No!
You're supporting evil! You're supporting evil! You will see! Come back to this house again, and I will show you that I am the man. And I will show you that I am the man.
Okay, what did you do to Mama?
You
want to start again?
What did you?
Want to start
Mama,
again?
do.
Okay.
Mama, do.
Come back.
Hey!
This is my house.
Hey! Look at this. It's my house. I'll feed you with
This is my
it.
house.
It is my house.
Mama. Mama. What?
Come on, fight, Junior. Have man like you. Kelly, Junior. Kelly, come on, fight. Come on. Catch him.
You want to be a man? I'll be in this place. Even you. Let me see who wants to come and try me. Let me see who wants to try you. Push my mother. You push my mother down. You a bastard.
Mama, let's go Nigerian film. Go to Nigerian film. Fight your fellow man. Come back and fight your man. Come back. Fight your fellow man. Mama, Ndo, Mama. Don't worry. Your son will deal with him. Don't worry, Mama.
Hey, this boy. He has
Mama,
no respect for
Mama,
me.
Ndo, because.
Chineke, this boy bastard. Oh, what happened? He's a foolish boy.
Take your hand, I think.
You will see. You're mad. I don't know, boy. But my son Kenny will deal with you. He carried knife.
Princess Diana thinks life is a game, so she double dates. Gambles with the thoughts, forgetting that life is a seed, and whatever you sow, you will definitely reap. Take a good look at the mirror. The person you are saying is your problem, so stop complaining. My mom thinks life is a double game, gambling with the breath and thoughts of a faculty. Sweet mom.
Very low. Very, very low. I have never missed a target I shot. Look at you. A beautiful married woman cheating on her husband. And out of stupid jealousy, you killed your boyfriend. Shut up! Shut up! You killed your boyfriend, you hid his body, and then you were apprehended by the police. And you bribed my men to shut up! You bribed my men to let you escape from custody. Now that's the worst thing you ever did in your life.
I didn't kill anybody, I swear on my life, I didn't kill anybody. I didn't try to bribe anybody. I didn't set up. Please.
Shut up!
Let me go, please.
Lock her up.
In which sense, sir?
Stand up.
Put her in cell 7.
Cell 7. We have 7 criminals there already. They might rape her or even kill her at once.
She's worse than them. Shut up!
Please.
Look at you. A young woman like you. Your husband is a respectable gentleman, working hard to put food on your table and make life better for you. Now look at the embarrassment you are causing yourself and your husband. I'm so sorry for you. You will face the full wrath of the law. Take her away from me.
I didn't kill anybody.
Take her away from me.
I swear.
Look at her. A young married woman who should sit down at home and take care of her husband until the whole community. I shall fight all of you. I shall bring all of you to book. Murderer.
Mama, sorry. Sorry. You'll be alright, you'll be alright.
It's okay. Man, Biakwa Kelly, who gave you that gun? How can you be running around town with a gun in your car? And I know you don't have a license. What if the police people catch you? If they catch you, you're going down.
Mama, they never born the policeman who will catch me. Arrest me for what? Mama, forget that one. No.
I hope you did not kill him.
Mama, what? Are you not a policewoman? Or you want to join them?
Did you kill him?
If he survive it, that is lucky. I never shoot for him to survive. I shoot for him to die.
So what do you
I wonder what you're even doing with that stupid man, that bastard.
Oh,
you better leave that idiot.
I don't know why you cannot divorce that man.
Mama, it's not
every day, quarrel, fight. Okay, fella, just see me.
It's not like I cannot divorce him.
No,
but I'm working on it. Is it not the people that said for better, for worse?
Also for better, for worse. Be waiting for better, for worse. But just go and dig your grave and go and pay for your posters to be printed and kept standby.
Mama, stop. There's no grave anywhere or burial. I will not die. I will leave him, but I just don't want to leave him now so the whole world won't say I left him because he's broke.
Who cares? Who cares? You don't live your life for anybody. You don't. Forget about that stupid man.
My own is that guy. I'm waiting for him. I will deal with him personally. Personally, I will deal with him.
Life is sweet you now. Life is sweet you now.
Pianwakem, the way you're looking at me, it's obvious you have come here to ask me for money. Because I don't have any money. Just let me be.
Mama, be calming down now. Your blood too hot now. I'm not gonna look my mama again. I'm not gonna look my mama again. Mama, you're supposed to know say street day hot now. On a very good day. Make you just find me something, make I hold something. If I chop your money now, na bad thing. I know be your son. I know be your son. Mama, please, find me at least 200k, make I take whole body.
200 guinea?
200k now.
200k? Hey, nah. It's quite normal. 200k in this hard time. What do you mean 200k? Where do you expect me to get 200k from? It is only when you're broke that you remember your mother. Please, I don't have any 200k for anybody.
Go down now. But I do remember you now, 247 now. I know they ring you. Sometimes they ring you now. I know they ring you. Mama, I just take whole body now. You get that street day now.
Leave the street matter. Let me ask you one simple question. When was the last time you bought me a gift? When? You can't even answer. Once you make money, you disappear like a prodigal child. Biaba Anase will give you 200,000. You're not serious, safe.
Mama, find me something now. Shake body now. You can try and understand now. Any way you give me now, make I just use our whole body now.
You know what? There's no point disturbing me. I will find you maybe 50. Maybe. I say maybe, oh. There's no assurance. Maybe. I'll find you 50k.
Mama, this one a discharge, you won't discharge me. This one a correct discharge, now you won't give me. Hey, Mama, make you understand now. Why they tight fit everything? Mama, now you they control all this yard where they here.
So?
Now you they control them all. I know they even disturb you. You know what's up now? Under first sir. You supposed to know now. Okay, find me 20k. Make I go for hand first. Find me 20k. You two they push things, oh.
No, see big boy like you. See big boy like you.
Find me 20k now.
You go there find money.
Find me 20k.
Now hard work, bring the yard. Work hard and anyway I will give you 20k. For
phone. No, they disturb you still. As they do, this money we won't bring. No be only that money they there. My spirit they tell me say that money where they bring, no be only and they there. And they hear them, they shakam. Like say na new money you won't bring out, Mama.
Take, close mouth, take. You will tell on why you're here.
See, I no talk am.
You can take this and go now. Biko, let me rest. Any other thing? No.
No now. Mama, make you try hustle, transfer the 200k. Try hustle, transfer the 200k. Thank you. God bless you, Mama.
Wait, you're thanking me in advance for money where you never see.
But Mama, you know I know they disturb you under first saw.
Mba, until I die. My friend, take this and go.
I know they disturb you. If you say they worry you now, another thing entirely. But this one, I know they disturb you. I will leave you. You're just leave your life.
Empty vessel. People go see you think say you get something. Even with that face cap, now for my room you still am. You know the shame,
Sir, I have been thinking, sir. If you step down from the office, it will take many years to find another general like you. The most amazing thing that happened to me is working with you. I see a fearless, dedicated, strong-hearted, and above them all, a courageous being in a mortal man.
Dude, how old are you?
I'm just 35 years, sir.
Are you married?
Yes, but I'm just 2 years in this marriage game.
Do you love your family?
Yes. I celebrate my wife and my son. My wife is my only treasure. So is my son.
Now listen to me. Before you build a house, you must sit down and check its costs. It takes a sacrificed life to make an impact in our world. People will remember you for two things: the problems you solved for them and the problems you caused for them. Being a police officer is beyond wearing a police uniform and carrying a gun. But most police officers don't know that. Duru, being a police officer is a sacrifice to our people.
I must confess, sir. I don't know how you will see it, but it's the truth. You are my mentor. Your commitment and passion to this job is quite amazing. You have not been caught in any evil act or bad deal. Yet you are one of the oldest surviving policemen in this zone.
To make an impact in this our world, you have to first discover yourself and be yourself. Do not imitate anybody, but rather learn from their mistakes and exploits. Burn every bridge that will bring you to compromise. And always remember you must leave your comfort zone and stay away from miscreants.
Sir, Can you break it little? Just break it down a little for me so that I can understand.
When I took up this job and decided to dedicate my life to cleaning crime from this region, I made the biggest decision of my life. I sent my pregnant wife away so that the hoodlums I am trying to apprehend will not attack them. Sometimes I feel bad about the decision I made. But for you to make an impact, there is a price to pay. I shall retire in a few weeks and I will go and look for them. I just hope they will forgive me.
Sir, you are a really officer. It's not everybody will do what you did. Even me, I don't think I can do that. Yes.
Duru, I am the only senior police officer who does not sit in the office. I am always on the field. I have received over 200 awards for jobs I did in this region and beyond. That is very good, isn't it? But I failed. I failed as a family man. I failed my son as a father. And I failed my lovely wife as a husband. When I retire, I will go and look for them. But I hope they will forgive me. I pray they forgive me.
But, sir, do you know where they are?
They're in this town. Though I left them in Lagos before I came over here. But after she had my son, she came to this town. Dude, I don't even know what my son looks like. In a few weeks' time, I shall retire and I will definitely go look for them. I just hope they forgive me. I pray they forgive me.
Sir, your phone, sir. Your phone.
Hello? Hello? Where? Alright, I'm with Duru. We're on our way. Duru, let's go, let's go. There's a problem somewhere. Let's go.
You have to repent. You have to repent. You have to change. You have to repent before it's too late. Before it's too late.
I'll be back soon.
Dr. David.
Yes, please.
You have to wait for me outside. I have work to do.
Good evening. We have to go outside.
It's okay, Mommy. We are waiting outside. We're not leaving you, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Now listen to me. You're the one keeping yourself here. You need to give me your statement. Do you understand? Look at you. You have a lovely daughter and a nice husband, and yet your legs are still out there. What has gotten over you? Now give me your statement. I'll speak up. Speak!
It's true, I have a beautiful home. On that fateful day, I was rushing to pick my daughter from school, and then I heard a car crash. I was unconscious, and I didn't have any vision of what was going on or where I was. And I woke up in Kelly's room.
Be careful, mind yourself in this world. Be careful, because life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share it. Life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share it. Whatever you say, you share it. Whatever you say, you share it. Your choice and action matter so much in your life. Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I'm an enemy, you check it the way of my greediness in the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in everyone.
Kelly? Is that really you?
It's me.
What is happening? Where is this place? What am I doing? How did you...
Wait. See.
Oh, my head.
Okay, relax yourself. I'll get you.
Kelly, what is going on here? I don't want it. I want to...
Calm down.
How did I end up here?
Okay, you had an issue with others Okada riders, and then they beat you up. I came to save you, so I brought you here.
Oh. So, where is this place? Your house?
Yeah, this is my house.
Where did you even resurface from? Do you live in...
Just calm down, my dear. Calm down. Right?
Oh my God, my daughter. What time is it? Shoot, I'm supposed to be in my daughter's school by now. Where is my car, Kelly?
Your car key is right inside your bag.
What?
You're still my strawberry.
Excuse you?
I still love you.
I'm not sure I can say the same about you.
Oh, okay, wait. It's my card.
Your choice and action matter so much in your life. Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I'm an enemy, you check it the way of my greediness in the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in
Why you dey look me? I won't pass. Excuse me, sir.
Wait. Where are you going dressed up like a cheap slut? Konye bido si wa kuno for where are you going to? Anyway, that's by the way. Where is my food?
Jello. Isn't this my designer handbag? Or my shoe? Or this dress that I bought with a lot of money that you are calling cheap? Which one? You know, me, I don't like to shout though. You are looking for my trouble too much in this house, oh. And you know that I'm not a troublesome woman, oh. Leave me alone. Okay, now that you are asking me for food, Biko husband man, did you give me any money to prepare food? Did you give me shishi to prepare food for you in this house? Shebi, your mates are outside. Your mates, they're outside the hustle. Some of them are even working in respectable offices. But you're seated at home, playing video game. Video game where you know they win. Even the video game suppose don't tire for you. You're looking for my trouble, oh. You're looking for my trouble in this house, oh. You're looking for my trouble, oh.
You know what? It's not your fault. It's not your fault. But let me tell you something. I will shock you. I will shock you.
You will shock me?
Yes, I go shock you. It go clear for your eyes. Because you say, as I dey here, they play my game, JJ. Now you just they prompt waiting there inside me, make I begin from it.
You go shock me as waiting. You will shock me as a transformer, as high tension, naked wire, NEPA pole. Which one?
Call it transformer. Even call it high tension, but I will shock you.
Come on for road, my pass. Don't shock yourself, finish. One can shock me.
Can you imagine a woman I made what she is today? But no problem, I will shock you. Go and come back. What kind of life is
this? Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I believe in me, check it the way of greediness is the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in a because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Whatever you sow, you share. Whatever you sow, you share.
So what's up with you?
I'm okay. Why you no answer me since?
Nothing.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. That's... You know, you haven't really cleared the air about this, your cousin with me. Clearly. So did they play?
Somebody's jealous. Well, have this.
Did you put some more portion in it?
Don't lie.
This is good.
So, that's the assignment. He'll be in his hotel room, and I've booked a room very close to his own room. So he'll be there by 9 to 10. Do a clean job. Right.
This guy's set too. Huh? Who is he and how much is involved?
Well, we hacked a dollar account of a petroleum minister. Over $200 million. I did the whole work. But this nigga wants to clear the whole money, including my own cut. So I want everything. He will be with a girl in the bar. So once you get there, I booked a room 512 and a 513.
So all you need to do, just move in once you hear my call. Then we strike. That's the master key. So, you do a clean job. You know what to do.
This no be small picking work. Oh. It's a very risky one. No put me for trouble.
No, they talk like that now. You know what to do. I mean, put up a cap, wear glasses and all that. Just mask yourself. You know? Once you get there, just tell the receptionist that the room 513 is for you, and then your name is Chinwendo, Nurse Chinwendo. You're from Enugu. I don't need to teach you this, John. You know what to do.
Bad guy special.
It is not my fault.
But you're a bad guy, Sha. Considering the fact that this is a very risky job, what's my cut?
You know I'm not greedy. I'll do you
well. So he says he will do me well. Oh. So you go do me well.
Come on.
Do not mix pleasure with business. Considering the nature of this job and the fact that it is a very risky one, I go take 20% or will not get due.
You know what I can do? You don't have problem. Beauty.
I don't think you may open laundry shop because you and laundry man no difference. I say they wash human being, they wash me, they iron me, they dry clean me.
I don't need to teach you this job. 20% is not a problem. I know what to do. We're talking about big money here.
Just you talk like the person. Bad
Am
guy.
I not the better person?
Bad guy. Bad guy.
Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I believe to check it, the quiet for my greediness in the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in the book.
Yeah. Hello. Dan. I know you are there. Dan, talk to me.
Hello. I just want to...
Oh, my strawberry. Oh, my strawberry. You know I love you so much.
I just want to thank you for the other day.
It's all right. Can I see you? I want to see you, please.
No, that's not possible. I am busy. And I am a married woman now, Kelly.
Come on, stop that now. Eh? My mom wants to see you. She keeps asking after you. Eh? Please don't turn her down.
I'll think about it.
If I believe to check it, the quiet for my greediness in the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in the book. Because life is a seed. Whatever you say, you shall. This life is a seed.
Hello? You know, we've been watching you since. You know, the smile, and I'm wondering where that is coming from. What's going on?
Just memories. What's up?
Okay.
Where's the car key?
Are you two about to go out without me?
No, just want to clean the car.
I'll get it first.
Because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall. Whatever you sow, you shall. Whatever you sow, you shall.
Your food. Open it when you're ready.
You see? If you behave like this, we wouldn't have problem.
Oh, John, don't sit like this again.
What do you expect, eh? You have to wait, eh? Oh, my wife. If you behave like this, why would I be complaining?
You like the food?
The food is fantabulous.
Off to church, a nice video.
What did you just say?
Going to church.
Mother Teresa. Mary Magdalene.
Sister Gina.
Sister Gina. Since when did you start going to church? Come to think of all-night service.
Marrying a bully like you is enough for me to bring morning, afternoon, night. In fact, it's even enough for me to become a prophetess. If not, high blood pressure will kill my enemy.
Prophetess Gigi.
Sir?
My wife is now a prophetess. Anyways, today is Wednesday, meaning ladies' night. You should have just told me you are going to ball. You're going to flex. I will understand that saying I am going for night service. Anyways, if you go, on your way back, you come back with Hennessy, eh?
On my way, we are coming back. I should bring back Hennessy.
Hennessy.
While you look after the house.
I want Jack Daniels.
Or Jack Daniels. And it's sure Jack Daniels should bring it back.
EJ.
It's not only Jack Daniels I'll come back with. I'm going to come back with 10 liters of anointing oil to wash this your head. Because you need deliverance. Poor man, you want to watch over the house with your tietie trouser. Mba, it's not only Jack Daniels. I beg you. And it's your Jack Daniels.
On all-night service. Going to all-night service. Go and have fun. Look at her, very wayward. I don't know. Did I was you on the Wednesday I got married to this young man, or was you on the Tuesday? You have suffered though. I should even give me water.
Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I'm to check it, the quiet for my greediness in the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in a because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall. Whatever you sow, you shall. Whatever you sow, you shall. Why can't you build yourself? What are you looking for outside you? Why can't you control your emotion? Cause you are born with the seed of success and happiness inside you. Why can't you build yourself?
one touches my girl, and no one can have her except me.
Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I believe in me, you check it the way of my greediness is the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in a book, because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share it. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share it. Whatever you sow, you share it. Whatever you sow, you share it.
How did he go?
Check it out for yourself.
What? That's why I love you, baby. You are too much.
My cut. I gotta bounce.
You know, say I know they talk anyhow. That's how I talk am. That's how I dey do am. Hey. I know they just talk anyhow. Anything when I talk, not so you dey.
My guy.
Spiritual.
See you, man.
Listen, I think it's the best for you to stay and then leave tomorrow for security. You need to watch your back. You know what you have is spirit. Money is spirit, and spirit is money. So, where are you going to?
Make I watch African Magic for down first, take reason some things, you know?
You won't watch African Magic?
I won't watch African Magic.
Go and watch African Magic.
But guys, special.
Money is spirit. Spirit is money.
Mama, there's this land I want to buy. Yeah. I want you to go check it out yourself. Use your connection to go and know what's up about this land. To know if that land is genuine. Again, another thing, Mama, I won't make you travel. I won't send you go Dubai. Yes, make you just go relax. Why they travel and make you go relax for Dubai? This 10,000 where they here. It's not $10,000. Not for you. Make use of all of them. All you need to do, get to Dubai, lodge in the hotel. If you like, let them massage you from morning till night. No problem. But once you're ready, I book your ticket. Your ticket money is not here. Just go and relax yourself and enjoy yourself. You've suffered for me. You have done a lot for me, Mama.
You have changed, though. Auto rice, sir.
Mama, this your rice is sweet, Sha, but I'm telling you the truth.
You were never like this before.
Before you will make money. Then you will stay away until you're done with the money. You were not chiaka. I mean, who gave you this wisdom?
Mama, na street, oh. Spiritual. Na streets, Mama. Okay. So make you no bother yourself. Everything on point. You get? No say this money where they see. Na spirit, Bimbi. Mama, enjoy yourself.
You know what? This money, I could take only this one. You keep the rest. Make you no be say my pikin bring money and no collect. I don't touch her. Keep the rest.
Mama, the overflow. No dey mercy for me, Mama. The money is too much. You don't know.
Now you dey tell me.
I'm telling you. Mama, see, let me tell you. You know, say you na correct, Mama, be. You see, all the assets where you get around. Mama, as I did now, if I pack all of them, put inside carton, I will just... they overflow now.
You match my assets.
Mama, you don't understand.
You dey craze. You dey craze. My own dey grand. Your own, you still dey build them for mind. See, chop this rice and enjoy it.
Mama, but this rice is sweet, oh.
You know the rice where you dey chop? They call them. Diva rice.
Diva rice.
Chop am.
Sweet rice.
Sweet rice.
Sweet mama.
Chop am, enjoy am.
Sweet mama. Hey, sweet mama. Sweet mama. If I no chop, my mama no go chop.
Diva rice.
If I no chop, my mother no go chop. If I do,
you go carry rice.
You go carry rice. Come give me.
This person picking just fine anyhow. Concept. God, Gina. But you too fine. Don't make sense.
Asaba girl, where are you making up to go this night?
Asaba man. See as you fine.
Thank you.
Come with packet shirt. Very tall and handsome.
Thank you,
Where you know say you dey go?
I know this your thick call knows election is around the corner. And then we've been having secret meetings, yeah? So can you do me a favor and give me the car keys?
Secret meetings?
Yeah.
Since when did you start attending secret meetings?
I don't understand.
You see, if I call you a wizard now, you will say that Gina is very, very disrespectful. But answer me, is it not wizards that attend secret meetings at night? Are you a wizard?
As you can see, I'm dressed up for the meeting. And as a matter of fact, I'll make money from it. So can you do me a favor and give me the car keys?
Well, sorry to burst your bubble. I'm hanging out with the girls tonight. And I'm going to be cruising in this my car that I bought.
I know that you know that every responsible women are in their matrimonial home taking care of their houses.
I know that you know that every responsible, spirit-filled man is on their matrimonial bed, pampering and taking care of their beautiful wives that they provide for, not gallivanting at night like a wizard. So because of ordinary 40,000 naira, so that they managed to pay you, you're now going to bring this package shirt and you have not worn for 5 years.
Please.
You ironed it. You wore it, standing before me looking like a tall glass of fine chocolate. And you be like, who gets sense before? But you don't get. The money goes so finish. You have already booked Bisola Abiola Jumoke to go and hang out in the club with you. You think I don't know? Eh? You see this eye? You see this eye? You go open.
Okay, whatever. But please, Honorable is taking us out tonight for a meeting. So I need the car keys, please.
My guy. You know, since the truth don't come outside. I don't think it's an flex you won't go. Now you don't talk truth. Eh? That's just fine set.
G, please give me the car keys.
You know, Oji, give me the car key, please. Which car?
I beg me. See this man. So on top my motor. Nah, you say you don't want to go where you want to go. You don't want to go. You don't want to go where you don't want to go. Carry the key. Okay. Carry me.
I got 2 cans for your eyes.
2 cans.
Okay.
Carry me and carry the key, my guy. No be you chop the carry person. You are not carrying.
Why you a devil in my life?
I say you will not.
I want you to go and make money now. What is your problem?
You don't know. Carry me and carry the key.
I'll throw you away.
You don't
I'll throw you away.
Beg at the game, man.
You know, it's midnight. Come to bed.
Yeah, I know. Sorry. Can I just tidy up this, please? I'm almost done.
You're supposed to be sleeping by now.
I know. I'm almost done. Just a few pages. I'll be with you soon.
How soon?
Very
Is it gonna be in a minute?
Very soon. A couple of minutes.
You sure?
Yeah, sure.
Because I'll be waiting.
I'm coming.
Yeah?
I'm coming, please. Okay? Please?
Okay. I'll be waiting.
Okay. I'm coming, okay?
See you in a minute.
Yeah, I'm coming.
I'm waiting.
It's been 3 hours. 3 hours of no show. What are you still doing here?
Sorry, the first year, the new school, the first year students, I'm trying to work on their course outline.
The first year students are asleep. You should be in bed with your wife.
Is their course outline? I'm almost done. I'm almost done, please. I'm almost done.
You said that the last time.
Yeah, but sorry. I had to do this, It's a new school. It's course outline, yes. Yeah, look at it. I'm sorry.
So you're coming?
Yeah, sure.
You're coming to bed?
Yeah,
in a minute?
A couple of minutes, I'll be there.
A couple?
Yeah, I'm almost done. Please, I'm coming. Please. Please.
Don't keep me waiting.
Sorry, I won't keep you waiting. I promise.
You promise?
Yeah, I promise. Come on. No, I won't. I promise. I won't.
Dad, it's 8 a.m. and you're still sleeping.
Oh, hey, Jesus. Oh, Lord, babe. Babe.
Stay away from me. I don't need the help from you.
What did you say?
You heard me. I said leave me alone. I have no hug for you. Go get a hug from your students. How about that?
Okay, I want to see you upstairs now.
Oh, is that a command?
Hey, babe, your bag is in the car already. Okay, so you have to get to the car now. Oh, I want to talk to mommy alone, okay? Why will you shout at me in front of our daughter?
Why wouldn't I shout at you, David? When you obviously prefer your students to your Princess Diana.
But you know it's not true.
It is true. David, what is the matter with you? You come home exhausted lately. 3 months gone and you haven't touched me, your wife. Have I complained? No. And then last night you said you would join me in the bedroom. You sat here for hours. You didn't come upstairs till I slept off. And then this morning you want to get a hug? You want me to be all smiles? I am a beautiful young woman. I deserve to be cuddled by my husband. I deserve to have my husband make love to me. But oh no, you rather prefer your students. You neglect me, Dr. Robert David.
You baffle me. I lecture in 3 different schools, and you know I need to meet up.
At the expense of your wife, you mean?
What do you want to achieve with this? I am doing my best here.
By starving me of sex?
It's not all about sex.
Oh yes, David. I have blood running through my veins. I'm a human being.
Jesus. Can you just listen to yourself? Jesus. Oh. Please. Diana. Don't do anything stupid. Don't try it.
Wow, Dr. David. Don't dare me. Don't.
I didn't hear that.
By the way, your daughter is late for school.
Meaning, sex, everything, sex. God.
My husband thinks we're sleeping with each other just because I'm always with you.
When a rich man is broke, my dear, you know it's you. At all. You must find a way to stabilize your family. Very important. Now I ask you, this Mbamba wedding now, what are you going to do with it? If you get your own share of the money. Because me, I don't buy land, though. I still got to buy some properties. You got to go? You got to. So, but for your own, what are you going to do with it? Because any moment from now, I'm going to walk out from this country. But I fuck up. I want to stop other kind of business. You got to go?
Oh, your game, now me won't play. Hold on.
So your mind there, man?
Yeah, you know day before.
Now why they use you for work? Where?
Go general markets. Actually, I've paid for a shop. I want to start selling human hairs, makeups, or more anything where I fit sell at all. Probably have a salon on the side. But guy, my husband is annoying.
Well, it's something both of you have to sit down together, to work it out. But you really need to help him out. No matter how little you can support him, you do that. That guy tried for you. He took care of your family. He did a whole lot for you, So,
Am I not trying for him? No be supporter, they support him since. No be him put me for all this hustle. Why they hustle like this?
It's good now.
Thank you.
As they bring the money, and let's say in they do the other one well.
I mean, whether you want play game, man, not the one why they here. Last card.
It takes you from the back.
I will win you for this game. Look at this now. See. This is how your belly will be if you don't stop drinking and smoking. Exactly like this. I will hear of that one. Because you don't used to hear word.
Stop showing me that. Show me bum bum.
I should show you bum bum.
Show me big bum bum.
Bum 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 you there.
Oh, this is beautiful. That is what I want to see. Show me bum bum that is as big as your own.
Go and sit down.
This is for you.
I beg you, they play expensive play with me. What's the money for? Oga.
Appreciation money. just giving you this to appreciate what you did for me. You are just like a sister that I've never had. For believing in me, and then you took risk for me. So I'm giving you this to say thank you.
Gege. This my guy, my guy on the day emotional. As partner in crime or as what?
You not correct, babe, now. Spiritual.
Oh.
You know, money is spirit.
A correct guy, man. Kai. Wow, this is quite impressive. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
But no, they smoke pour me now. No get problem.
It's alright.
Why you like fight past quarrel?
No problem. You're not my person now. Spiritual. You know?
One day you go light this thing, your front teeth no go there to go now. The smoke here. But thanks for the money, buddy.
It's alright.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
You know you're a good girl. You're doing well.
Yeah, correct guy. Which color you want this night? We can arrange for you. Correct guy.
Big bum bum.
Bum you there. Big bum. Hey, good. Hey, good. When you created him, how many bones did you use? Because it looks like there's no single bone in his body. It's only bum bum. Hi.
Be careful, mind yourself in this world. Be careful, because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Your choice and action matter so much in your life. Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I believe in me, you check it the way of my greediness is the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in a because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Why can't you build yourself? What are you looking for outside? you. Why can't you control your emotion? Cause you were born with the seed of success and happiness inside you. Why can't you build yourself up? Appreciate it's your favorite. Anything you cause yourself, you must answer the query by yourself. By yourself. Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I believe in to check it, the way of my greediness is the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in a book. Because life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share it. Life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share it. Whatever you say, you share it.
Hey, babe. Where are you going to?
Home?
I thought we were supposed to spend the night together.
Don't be silly. I have to go home. I'm still married.
Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Cut off that stuff, you know? Cut it off. See, you know I love you so much. I'm gonna take care of you. I'm gonna take good care of you.
Yeah, you said that before, Kelly.
Yeah.
Now I have to go home. My husband and my...
I know.
I really have to go. I think that's enough for today.
Oh,
See your head like waiting trailer climb. Eh? Anyway, I called you people here to ask for my rent. I've been to your house a couple of times and the door is always locked. Yet you people live inside there. The rent is due. I need my money. Please.
Landlady, I understand that the rent is due. But you see, I've been making some efforts back and forth to make sure I pay. But all my arrangements are not working as planned. But you know what? Before the end of this week, I will pay you up your rent. That's what I actually worked on.
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about and I don't understand. All I've heard here is back and forth, back and forth. What's the meaning of that? Back and forth that you collected my money forward or back that you took it. What are you trying to say? Eh?
Talk. She used to talk very loud in the house. It's the only bit thing you know how to talk. Talk to your landlady in a language she can understand.
Landlady, you know what? Because of the delay, I will pay demurrage. In that way, you will understand that I am working so hard for it.
Dumigini. It's not Dugini. You've not paid the initial sum and now call him Dumo. Are you stupid or what?
You're speaking English.
Jokwea.
No, you're speaking English for landlady. Eh? Does a poor man speak English? You want landlady to increase the house rent. Why are you doing like this? Something that you can't believe in.
How did you even marry this man?
Eh? Oh, what is that? You cannot use normal clear terms and just say clear landlady some kind things. This people do more. Okay, if she vex now, go increase house rent. You go fit pay. Landlady, I beg, no vex, I beg.
Even his face is frightening. There's nothing he will speak that I can understand. As long as he's sitting right in front. Why did you even marry him? Did you not see handsome men out there?
No be so you be before.
Look at the face now. No be accident in get for face. Still you go marry her.
Landlady, no vex. I go chest am.
I go chase them. I beg, no vex. Let me run you transfer.
Yeah, make we run you transfer.
My friend, shut up.
You still have that my account number?
And which one? Is it the First Bank or the GT?
DG1. See knows. Like person where the papa now bought taba.
I'll let the abeg check whether I don't enter.
It don't enter. You even put Jara for me. Now a bottle of stout this night.
We don't run out.
I say shut up. You don't run out. Woman rapper. You just follow woman. Bottom to bottom. You feel them nose.
See my wife.
Don't touch him. See the bad hand. Why do you even allow him to touch you? Eh? Una de. Make I no even ask
No
questions.
vex, no vex. Make we go now. You don't collect. Make we go.
I thank you myself.
Because you did not read.
I did.
You did not. The questions were simple.
Madam, I took notebook. So, where are you traveling for vacation?
Hey girl, so I was sent out of the school hall, examination hall because of you, bitch. I will so mess you up in the school.
I didn't ask you not to read.
Yes, not to
How dare you! You slapped me.
Sick?
How dare you slap her?
What make I see that? Come on, leave my clothes.
Change wetin. So because you think you are a cultist, you can just walk up to us and slap her. Are you okay?
See this one now.
What do you want to change matter for?
I'm reporting you to Dr. David.
Who is this
You are
one?
leaving this cocaine.
For real?
Yes.
Let's watch and see.
You leave this school.
Let's see then.
Don't worry.
Hand it on this one.
Hey, let me tell you. Listen to me. The next time you try such rubbish with me, I swear to God, I'm gonna end your life in this.
Off yourself!
Idiot. I will mess you up. See you this bitch, I will mess you up in this school. Just wait and see.
Mr. Ken.
Dr. David.
So you have the effrontery to slap a fellow student. Why?
She was proving stubborn. She even get bad mouth to insult me. That was why I slapped her.
Hey, liar! You're a big liar!
Oh, even in my front. Let me understand something. Does your father beat your mom in the house? Why will he slap a student like you in school?
Sadiq, what has my family has to do with this now? Why will you bring my family to this issue? I don't like it though.
Okay, so you go and call security for run.
Dr. Dave, before you talk another one's family, make sure your own is perfect though.
Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I name uche gị dịkwa ya ọfụma, greediness the killer. Appreciate your God for wetin He give you. Greediness na-egbukwa na-egbu. Because life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share it. Life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share it. Whatever you say, you share it. Whatever you say, you share it. safe. What are you looking for outside, yo? Why can't you control your emotion? Cause you are born with the seed of success and happiness inside you. Why can't you build yourself? Oh.
Yes. What are you doing here? Get out! Get out! Come on, get up from here! Get up from here! Nonsense.
Whatever you say, you share it. Whatever you say, you share it. Your choice and action matter so much in your life.
Madam, how may I help you?
Sir, you can help me, but at least let me come in. I am Mrs. Mokwe, Adobe's mom.
Okay, please. Come.
Thank you.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. Ever since she lost her father, Adobe became depressed and lonely. She lost the zeal to move on in life until she met you and you became her mentor. Your teachings gave her the hope, confidence and courage to move on. For the past 5 days, Adobe has not eaten. She has been crying. She doesn't talk to anyone. And she has not slept. Oh, please. So, and I'm bothered as her mother.
I am so sorry about this whole thing. I'm so sorry, please.
Thank you.
I don't know what to say. I'm sorry for causing you this grief. So sorry, please. Where is she?
She's at the car park.
Can you call her?
Yeah,
I'm sorry, please.
thank you.
Okay, better. Let's just go down.
Okay.
See.
Better.
I know you. Let's go see. I'm sorry.
Abatin, good morning, sir.
Hey, Bobo, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Honorable sir, make I give you this month 500,000.
500,000? No. It's supposed to be 1.5 million naira. As a matter of fact, I delivered my word.
He said after swearing in, he will balance you.
Okay, it's fine, it's fine. You can go, eh?
What is the money for?
It's none of your business as a matter of fact.
This one is my business. What is it for?
Anyways, you know I told you I was shocking you.
This has nothing to do with shocking me. Eh?
You know what? Take this while I go and put this one in the bank.
Bank kwa. Because tell me the name of the hotel you are going to let me supply more runs, girl. Nah, Karam, bullshit. What is that?
Asaba woman, I will see you later, eh?
Asaba man. Chalu, come back. How much are you even giving me? Eh? How much is this money now? Why are you doing like that? So you mean an envelope full of money? This is all that you can give to your wife?
I don't have time for this drama, eh? Let me go put this one in the bank.
Bank? Mbano, it is bar you are going to, not bank. Because if it is the bank that I know, you do not know the definition of bank. What is this one, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, this man is very wicked. You are a very wicked man. Eh? Money that I have seen with my 2 eyes. This is what this man is giving me. No, is this not sheer wickedness? Don't worry, you'll come and meet me. Hey, oh my God. Don't worry. Hey, is it not me and you?
So I won't be around for 4 days. I already told you that. But Auntie Rose here will take good care of you. She'll buy you lots of ice cream and lots of chocolates. Be a good girl when you're with her, okay? Okay.
Ma, what about the money you said you'd give me?
Yeah, it's 10,000 naira. That's enough to give you people too much fun.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, Ma.
Let's go to the car so you can be on your way. Let's go.
Whatever you say, you share it. Whatever you say, you share it.
So, I'm all yours now, baby. All yours.
Look at you.
Kelly, don't stop loving me. Don't ever stop.
You know I will not stop loving you.
Because you shouldn't.
Come on here.
All right. I know you can't wait.
I've missed you so much.
I know.
Look at you.
What's wrong, man?
Look at the time a married woman is coming back to her house. Are you not tired of this life? Oh, have you no shame?
What did you talk, sir? Now English you talk. So of all things to be in this life, it is my monitoring spirit that you have decided to be. It still fits you, Sha. After all, monitoring spirit they tall black, so it fits you. After spending all your money on women outside, you now decide to sit home and become my monitoring spirit. You remember when I tell you say the money go finish? Money they finish now. Money where they no invest, now finish. You don't finish, Abi? No, you don't finish, Abi. For your mind, it is at the Columbi for outside, Abi. My name is Gina. I get dignity. I be woman. I get value for myself. You hear me?
Let me disappoint you. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Here.
I beg.
And now, wait a second. What are you saying? So,
I don't want to see.
You won't think I've been going around fornicating with girls. I am not a fool. Okay? Listen, this will be the first and last time you will come back home this late. 8 p.m., close that so-called shop of yours. You heard me. Do not tempt me. I repeat, do not tempt me because you wouldn't like the outcome.
Hey! Something is cooking in this house. Hey! Hey, husband man, I die wake. What are you saying? It's beer, I should close my shop. So you even know it's my shop, I went. Man. God. It's okay. You see, they say he who pays the piper, he takes the tune. So since you now have money and are willing to control me, you remember the 400,000 naira I gave to landlady for house rent on your behalf 6 months ago? And you know that since that time, I've been the one feeding you and myself, clothing you and myself, buying medicine, recharge card for you and myself, well, everything. So Biko, give the money and some extra as wife we try. Nah, I try. Give me kudos.
Listen, it's fine. I am not ready for all this drama because I want the best for us.
That's all you but give me money so that when you're controlling me, I will know that it is a man that is controlling me. You see, there's a way you will give me this my money. If you are shouting, I'll be fanning you and be saying shout no more, my husband. He's not the one that you'll be shouting and you'll be giving me headache on top of the suffering that I've been suffering. Okay, Didi? Give me my money because...
Oh, is this what you want? Or may I remind you that I paid for your school fees for 4 years, took care of your clothing, your feeding, and while your mother was on her sickbed for 2 years, I took care of the hospital bills. And when she eventually passed on, your family members couldn't take care of her funeral, and she was there in the morgue, I took care of the funeral. While your uncles were busy struggling for properties which you don't even know the outcome. Your brothers are graduates today, are courtesy of me, and none of you could come back to say thank you. Let me tell you, for how many years you've been married to me, you have neither conceived or even became pregnant. Let me tell you, this will be the first and last time I will hear or see you sleeping around. Okay? Don't try this tomorrow.
You don't talk finish, Abi. If say na speaker you be, today they for top your salary. But unfortunately, na video game na in dey play. So no additional salary for you. But you see this handwriting where they carry come like this. As not like this, you won't make it be. It go red for this house. It go red for this house. It don't red finish. Because you feel that you have money now so you can afford to say any rubbish that comes out from your mouth to me.
I do not have time.
How you did this, how you did that.
Drama of yours. Continue saying your...
You did this, you did that. Okay, you did it for a purpose, man. You did it for a freaking purpose. The brain you follow buy for the school for me. They sell brain for there. They sell energy for there. They sell hard work for there. All the suffer I suffer for this your house. You never do. How many graduates can afford to put food on their table? And even the table of the so-called man that married them. What is it? You think I'm a layabout? You think I go on the street sleeping with men? Every freaking day, I work my ass out to feed you, clothe you, and make life better for you. You took care of my sick mother on her sick bed until she died. So, Bia, you see this thing where you want me to play like this, eh? You go red for this house, oh. You go red, oh my guy.
I have a little surprise for you.
You do?
Yeah.
What is it?
know, since this has been going on this way, I don't want to go into some kind of dirty deal anymore. So,
what do you plan to do with this?
We leave this country. We leave this country for good. We leave this country so that David won't even find us. We stay there for the rest of our lives.
That's going to be very hard for me to do. It's too fast. I can't leave. No. I don't want to.
Why?
It's too fast and...
Hey, come on, baby. Wait. You remember you promised me something? You remember what you promised me?
Yes.
Yeah. You promised me something and then you have to keep to that promise. Yeah.
Kelly, I promised. But this is just...
Where? Is anyone else in this house?
No.
Are you sure?
It's just you and I.
I'm coming. I'll be right back. Who is that? Who is there? Who is there?
Did you see anybody?
No. All doors are locked.
Listen, I can't do this. And I can't.
Why? Why? You can't just do this. You remember, you promised to stay with me for the rest of your life. You remember that?
Yes.
So why you turning me down now?
I'm not.
That's exactly what you're doing. You're turning me down.
Not now. I'll work something out. Yeah? But for now, you should hold on to this.
Come on, baby. Keep it. It will be safe with you. Right?
Alright.
My beautiful queen. Every time I look at your face, I just feel like eating it.
Stop it.
Eating it raw.
Really?
Without cooking it.
You're crazy.
No, I'm not crazy. But you know, it's good for me to be crazy.
Because that would mean you're crazy about me.
Yeah.
Story of my life.
Please be on your way before they meet you here. Even if they're not coming today, but you have to go. Because you've had enough, haven't you?
Yeah. So tell me, when next are we spending time together?
I don't know. I'll let you know.
It's okay. My cab guy is outside.
Yeah.
So I wanted to think about the visa thing. I'll call you soon. Look at it, alright?
Oh, you scared me to death.
I know.
Where did you... Welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. How's your trip?
That's okay. I missed you guys.
Oh.
I missed Loveline. And I missed you too. I had to reschedule and come back.
I missed you too. Loveline is away. She went to spend some time with Auntie Rose.
Oh.
They should be back any moment now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so... oh, Jesus.
How about you go up and take a shower while I make you some food?
That would be nice.
Then you can tell me how much you miss me while
Okay, so what do you want to cook?
a surprise.
A surprise?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be with you in 15 minutes.
Okay.
What do I do? He left the gate open.
Oh. Oh.
Why is our room so scattered, so unkept, and it has this faint smell of smoke?
Is that why you haven't had your bath? I mean, you had me thinking that you probably saw a rat or an insect and you need a dustpan or something to remove it.
Jesus, what is wrong with you?
Nothing's wrong with me.
Okay, by the way, I saw 2 glasses and an empty bottle of wine in the room. How come?
Jesus Christ. You've started. You've started, David. You and your overactive imagination. What is this supposed to mean? Okay, you think everyone is you. You think everyone is you that traveled to Abuja with Adobe. Oh, yeah. Surprised, aren't you? You surprised, I know. Well, news fly. News fly, David. So don't stand there and try to talk to me as if I brought a man into the house.
Wait. Are you, by any chance, insinuating that I, Dr. David, will stoop so low to sleep with my student, Adobe?
Dr. David, I'm not insinuating. I know that you're sleeping with Adobe. Yes, you are. And if you must suit your overactive imagination, Rose was here. And yes, we had a drink.
Oh. So, our bedroom now became your bar.
You know what? Just go. David, go. Go back to wherever it is you're coming from, because this house had peace before you came back.
Really?
Go!
Really?
Yes.
You know, Diane, you're really tempting me, boy, you won't succeed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a call to your brother and tell him that you want to destroy this marriage.
Yes. Tempting you. Yes. Me, Diana, tempting you. Don't push me, David. Don't. You know, very soon, your personal assistant, Adobe, will begin to do the cooking for you.
You know what? If you're not hiding anything, why are you yelling? Why are you shouting?
I'm not shouting. I don't blame you. David, I'm tired. You know what? For what is what? I am tired. I am sick and tired of everything. I'm sick and tired of you, of this relationship, of everything. I'm tired.
You need to see a pastor.
You need to see a doctor. You need to see a doctor to get your overactive imagination re-examined. You hear me? You educated, foolish fool. She calling my name like somebody died. Bang.
Yeah, come in.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. Sir, someone brought this. She said she's your cousin.
My cousin?
Yes.
Wait. What is this? Yeah, hello? Who's this? My friend, what's all this? Huh? What's all this? Why do you want to blackmail me?
Dr. David, if I was interested in that, I would have gone straight to your wife. Please, sir, relax. Please.
What do you want? What do you want?
There's one thing about life that is so funny and evil at the same time. See, Dr. David, I grew up not knowing my father. And so unfortunate, I lost my mom at the age of 9. And life became so difficult. To the point my uncle do call me a good-for-nothing boy. And it seems I lived up to that standard till I met you, as I started attending your classes. And life has never been so easy. But you made me who I am today. The day I chose you as my mentor and role model. You know, some people don't really understand what our youths are going through in the streets. But I must tell you, we smile, but deep down us, we're raging in war. We're suffering.
Why are you telling me all this?
Dr. David, you know what goes around comes around. The school wants to suspend me because of you. And the reason was because I slapped a girl because of your wife. I don't like women. They are evil.
Women are angels. Angels fall at times, you know.
Doc, your wife is cheating on you with a very young guy, and they are planning to leave the country with your daughter.
How did you get all this information?
I can get anything I want to get as long as I'm interested in it. I just want to advise you, sir. Please, I advise you seek for a divorce and do something fast before they erupt the country with your daughter. That's my candid advice for you.
Thank you so much. I'm sorry about everything. I wish I knew all of it before the whole thing started.
It's okay. It's nothing. That's one of the things we experience in life. You know, Dr. Dave, I've always wanted to be like you. And I applied for American lottery and I won to study in Harvard University. To the glory of God, I'll be leaving soon. Even though I don't know God too well, but I know He doesn't disappoint His people. Please, sir, I will advise you to handle this case with ease and don't do anything stupid. Please, Dr. Dave.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. When you travel after studying in Harvard and you gain some knowledge, try and share. You know, at any slightest opportunity, share.
Thank you very much, Dr. Dave.
Be
Thank
good.
you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
No, I don't get. I don't understand. Me and you will speak English. Since how many days I dey come here? I go not forget nobody go answer. I go come inside your motor dey here. Wetin happen? Where you go?
Man, I'm not in that mood.
Get man, what? Which mood where you come dey?
Mood now. I don't answer anybody. Now so the team be.
Na
Make
so
you
wetin be?
understand. I don't answer anybody. I know that my head not too correct for now.
Where have you been, man? Wetin be this?
So all this thing why they explain to you, so you know to understand my flow be that. I mean, you know, you can just try to understand. My head don't full. If full, you say I don't want to pick anybody call, you know. Just calm down.
Your head full. Say now you be president of this country. Where they carry the whole load for your head. My guy, look me. Look me now. You dey sleep with her. As in you and her, they do like this. No paint am. Just tell me as it be.
But you know they look my eye. I be know they see anything for my eye. You blind. You suppose no say love they there now.
Which love?
I love them now.
Which love? Which yes smelling love? Which love you dey talk? So if person tell you now, say define love. Now this thing you go talk say be definition of love. My guy, that is not love. That is greed. That is selfishness. The Bible says that any man who takes unto another man's wife, not thief.
We be ghetto.
Wetin they do thief? They stone am, kill am.
We be ghetto.
Leave her alone.
We be ghetto.
Look, this woman is a married woman. Allow her, go home, build her home, and have some peace in her life. No, they deceive her now.
Me, they quote Bible for.
Now you are the quote for because if you like say you don't they talk to Lucifer. Who be this? What did you find for here? No, what did you find for here? What are you looking for? Is this your husband's house? What are you looking for?
Who is this woman?
He?
Are you cheating on me too?
Why they flow like this now? You know, sir, I know get that liver now.
What's in this one? Carly? Who is this woman? Are you shame no they catch you? You don't get sense? Are you a prostitute? Huh? Can you not stay in your husband's house, focus and build your marriage? If your husband cannot satisfy you sexually, can you not teach him? You know if you teach him, you call it gallivant.
Shut up!
Hey, you shut up, my guy! You shut up!
Shut up!
You shut up, my guy! Make I tell this woman what? Don't you know you're a married woman? You were supposed to be in your husband's house, building your home, and not being deceived by this guy. I don't cheat on you. If he cheat on you, come. Your house fire cut on.
They flow.
What thing I don't go flow? What thing I don't go flow, my guy? Truth say make them talk am.
So now the truth now they talk now. Now the truth they talk now.
Yenti, go.
Okay, make you come they go.
Go where?
Come go.
This year gets problem.
My guy, wait, come go.
Get out. Go to your house.
Come go. You let the house sour. You don't sour. Come they go.
I get prostitute. Go to your house.
Come they go.
Go to your house.
Everything don't sour. You don't sour. You don't sour. Which can't you be that?
See, go to your house. Go to your husband's house.
I won't tell you something. I go match you down. Matter don't sour.
You don't have to forget me.
Matter don't sour. You don't sour. Not be down, but you don't sour.
I'm sorry. Sorry, baby. Come on, baby. I mean, I have nothing to do with her.
Shut up. Shut up, you lying and cheating bastard.
No, baby, I can't lie to you. I have nothing to do with her. To start with, she's a married woman. I'm telling you the truth.
You're cheating on me.
No.
Kelly, you are cheating.
Why they flow like this now? Eh? You know the button how to play my calculator now.
Kelly, you're cheating on me.
I am not cheating on you, baby. Come on, man. See, baby.
Get your hands off me.
Come on. I can't lie to you. I can't.
You stand there.
No.
You did. Ah! To my face!
Ah!
Oh, dear God.
Stop me.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. Kenny, oh. Somebody. That was the last time I saw him. Next day,
You people came to my house.
So why did you bribe my men to let you escape?
I didn't. And I swear in God's name, I didn't.
Shut up your mouth.
I'm innocent.
Leave God out of this. When you were opening your legs, did you take permission from God? Did you seek permission from God?
Please, just let me go, and I promise I will help find the murderer for you. Please.
Diana Nkrumah. Now, David. Your mother had a similar case of murder. You did not learn from that. Now, from our investigations, we found traces of blood in the dining room. And then we found some more blood on the edge of a side stool that we found in the backyard. Now, it is assumed, we know, not assumptions now, we know that you have killed Mr. Kelly and buried him somewhere. And you have to show us where you buried him. Do you understand?
Side stool?
Yes.
What side stool? All I remember is that we had a misunderstanding. And then I mistakenly stabbed him. I got scared and I ran away.
You're lying.
He was pretty much alive.
You're lying.
And then he was alive. I swear.
You're lying. You
I'm
must
not
tell me
lying.
the truth.
I'm not lying. I'm not lying, I swear.
Mrs. Diana, you're under arrest for the murder of one Mr. Kelly. You have a right to remain silent, as anything you say or do will be used against you in the courts of law. You have a right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, the state will provide one for you. Do you understand? Now take her back into the cell.
I didn't kill him.
Take her back into the cell.
I'm not a murderer. I didn't kill him. I swear, I didn't kill him. I didn't kill Kelly. I swear. I'm innocent, please. Just let me go. Let me go. I didn't kill him. Please. I'm begging you. I'm innocent, I swear. I have nothing to do with this, I swear.
I'm sorry, Dr. David. A responsible man like you should not be associated with this kind of mess. Apparently, you did not investigate your wife before you married her. Or maybe she enchanted you with her beauty.
You are holding the wrong person. Because I killed him. After my wife stabbed him.
Dr. David, I have been in this job for donkey years. And in 2 weeks' time, I shall retire and be with my family. I hope you're not here to make a mockery of my job.
Please, I killed him. Let her go.
I hope you are not forgetting where you are. Because if you are lying to us just to save your wife, I will personally shoot you.
Do.
Sir.
Arrest this man and release the woman.
Sir, I don't believe this man. I don't believe this man at all.
Go and bring the woman.
Yes, sir.
Dr. David, only God knows what is about to happen to you. Only God.
When I found out that she was cheating on me, I followed her. Without her knowing. I followed her to his house. I don't know actually what happened, and they had a fight and my wife stabbed him. So I came in, and actually it wasn't easy though, but we had a fight and I killed him.
You killed him? Are you sure of what you're telling me?
I didn't come here to pick a fight with you, Mr. Kelly. Please, stay away from my wife.
You think I'm afraid of you? I am not afraid of you, and I will never be afraid of you. You have the guts to step into my house with such a stupid request? Who do you think you are? Well, I admire your guts a whole lot. I was tagged a murderer. Pushed out of school because of Diane. I went away to go and look for what is good for both of us. You came from Norway and spin her away out of me. I am the rightful owner. So I step in to take what is mine. It is not yours.
Mr. Kelly, for the last time, stay away from my wife.
Stop calling her your wife. She is not your wife. You stole her from me. Next time if you step your foot in my house, I will spit on you. I started this journey before you. Don't you ever come to my house again.
Good day.
Good day. You must be Diana, Dr. David's wife.
Yes, I am, and you are?
We're police officers from headquarters. We'd like to ask you a couple of questions. Can we sit down?
Questions? About what?
Madam, nothing really serious. It's just an ongoing investigation that requires your help.
Yes. May we sit down, please?
Sure. Baby, go on upstairs. I want to have a talk with these gentlemen, okay?
Madam, how old is she?
8 years old.
She looks smart.
Thank you.
Please, can I have a glass of water, please? Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Madam, we are aware that you are referring to one Mr. Kelly West. When was the last time you saw him?
Why? What's the matter?
Madam, answer the question first.
Anyway, Mr. Kelly West has been missing for about a week now.
Missing?
Yes, missing. And in the course of our investigation, we found your pictures and your address in his place. Has he called you recently?
Yes. I mean, no. He called me, but I didn't pick.
Madam, when precisely did you call him?
I didn't call him. I just said it. He called me, but I didn't pick.
I understand the way you feel. Somebody you saw just last week and he's missing all of a sudden. I understand your feelings. Are you the only one in this house?
My daughter and I.
All right. I'd like to invite you to the station tomorrow to make a statement concerning this matter. Is that okay with you?
Mm-hmm.
This is my postcard. Don't fail to come to see me next week.
That will be all, madam. Thank you very much for your time. We'll be expecting you tomorrow. Okay?
Good day.
Good day. You must be Diana, Dr. David's wife.
Yes, I am. And you are?
We're police officers from headquarters. Would like to ask you a couple of questions. Can we sit down?
Questions? About what?
Madam, nothing really serious. It's just an ongoing investigation that requires your help.
Yes. May we sit down, please?
Sure. Baby, go on upstairs. I want to have a talk with these gentlemen, okay?
Madam, how old is she?
8 years old.
She looks smart.
Thank you.
Please, can I have a glass of water, please, if you don't mind?
Sure.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Madam, we are aware that you are referring to one Mr. Kelly West. When was the last time you saw him?
Why? What's the matter?
Madam, answer the question first.
Anyway, Mr. Kelly West has been missing for about a week now.
Missing?
Yes, missing. And in the course of our investigation, we found your pictures and your address in his place. Has he called you recently?
Yes. I mean, no. He called me, but I didn't pick.
Madam, when precisely did you call him?
I didn't call him. I just said it. He called me, but I didn't pick.
It's all right. I understand the way you feel. Somebody you saw just last week and he's missing all of a sudden. I understand your feelings. Are you the only one in this house?
My daughter and I.
All right. I'd like to invite you to the station tomorrow to make a statement concerning this matter. Is that okay with you?
Mm-hmm.
This is my postcard. Don't forget to come to see me next month.
That will be all, madam. Thank you very much for your time. We'll be expecting you tomorrow. Okay? Let's go.
What's wrong? Oh my God. What is going on? Kelly's missing.
Daddy.
Hey, Angel, how are you?
I'm fine. Daddy, 2 policemen came to see Mommy.
Really? They came with guns?
No, they came with a car.
A car? Okay, so where is Mom now?
She's upstairs in her room.
In her room. Oh, you're reading something?
Yes.
Let me see her, right? I'm coming. Let me see her.
Welcome, Mary.
Oh, why are you like this? Are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm fine. Why? Don't I look okay?
Not really, not really. I had some policemen came here today.
Yes, some policemen were here. But it's nothing serious.
Really?
Some of my clients were supposed to show up at the police station. So when they didn't, their attorneys and some policemen came to see if I'd seen them.
So why did they go to your office?
They called me and I told them that I was at home and that they could come here. Let me get your food.
No, I'm not hungry. I'm okay.
Oh, baby. Listen. I know I've been very annoying lately and I'm sorry. I'm really very sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Diane.
Yeah?
My beautiful Diane. Can we save this gist for later?
No.
Okay? I'm not interested now. Right. Excuse me.
Sure.
Interesting. So tell me, where did you dump him?
I can't show you.
Sit down.
I'm so sorry. This isn't my fault. I'm sorry.
No, it's not your fault. I killed him. Yeah, I killed him and I jumped in the bush.
What did you do? What? Nobody said you were.
I know about you guys. I saw the pictures. I followed him to his house. I saw the passports.
Duru, sir, arrest this man. Let it go. Madam, you can go on. Now move. You have to show us where you go. Move!
Is this a joke?
No, please.
Move.
No, love me, please. Love me, please.
Move. Madam, you can go home.
Maybe there's a mix-up somewhere. No. Okay?
Bring him! Bring him!
Move!
Daddy, where are you going to?
You have to stay with Mom, eh? I want to take them somewhere and I will see you soon, please.
No, I will go with...
Move!
No, stay with Mom, please.
Be careful, mind yourself in this world. Be careful, because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall. This life is a seed.
Leave me alone. It's because of you that my daddy is going. They should have taken you and leave my daddy alone.
I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Matters so much in your life. Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I believe in check it, greediness is the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in a because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall. Whatever you sow, you shall. Whatever you sow, you shall. Why can't you build yourself? What are you looking for outside you? Why can't you control your emotion? Cause you were born with the seed of success and happiness inside you. Why can't you build yourself?
I talked to him here. I talked to him here.
I will shoot you. It seems like you and your wife are playing games with me, right?
No.
Right?
No. We had a fight and I knocked him off. I personally dumped him here.
Personally dumped him. So where is it?
Kelly. Kelly. Kelly, please untie me so I can go. Kelly, please let me go. I'm begging you.
Please. After everything I've been through in life because of you, you are joking with my feelings. You are joking with my feelings. Your husband will go to jail.
No. No, please.
He will go to jail for killing me.
He didn't kill you. He didn't kill you. Kelly, look at you. You're standing right there and you're alive.
He will go to jail. Because I was fighting for what belongs to me. He will go to jail. I think I'm joking. I'm not joking with you. I just want to go. You want to go home? You'll go home. Don't worry. Your husband came to my house, was unconscious. He bundled me in his car and drove away. I must say I admire his nerves for him to come to my house to warn me, to take what belongs to me.
this one? Hey, Kelly. Her husband came to fight you and dumped you here, right? Because I have to do an FBI job and rescue you. Because this your ear, not the hear word.
Thank you. But I will deal with him.
Deal with you. Leave somebody's wife alone. Leave somebody's wife alone. You will not hear. Kelly, free the woman now. Now that's a wife.
She's mine. I love her and she loves me too.
Hey.
If I don't have her, no one will have her. She's mine.
You know, eh? Person wey dey follow person wife. Him and death. They live for the same flat. I don't know as I want to tell you this thing reach. But you don't do, my guy. Na small thing remain make you for die. You don't do.
I will teach him a lesson. I will have his head removed. You will see what I will do to him.
Inside dustbin. Inside this dustbin. What if you had died? Just what if?
Yeah, hello. Angela. You will call the Office of Intelligence Unit. Tell them that I'm missing. Yes. I want you to do that tomorrow morning. I will transfer 100,000 naira to you. That will be fine. Yeah. Get to the CCTV. We will edit the footage. It's okay. Good.
Kelly, what are you up to? Would they talk one will never solve and finish you? They dig out another one. What are you up to?
You will see what I will do to that man. And you better mind your business. Mind your business and your husband. And don't stand on my way or I will crush you.
My guy, calm down. Calm more down. You cannot threaten me. You're not going to threaten me. See me, they waka like rats where they find something inside person's house. They trail the motor just to come and rescue you. So don't hear they tell me bullshit. I beg, let's go to the hospital. You're bleeding.
Take me out of here.
Take you out of here. But they threaten me. Yeah, I never talk. No. And I break my leg for that push. When you push me, come on. For your house. Away.
I will deal with that man.
Don't make me vex so.
Be careful, mind yourself in this world. Be careful, because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall reap.
Your husband has a murder case to answer. And then we'll be in South Africa enjoying ourselves. Both of us. You crazy. You make me crazy.
Kelly, stop this madness. Untie me so I can go home to my husband. My husband who should not be in the cell, by the way.
Let me correct one impression. The lady Christian you're talking about, we are not in a relationship. She's a married woman. We have nothing.
So am I, Kelly. So am I. I'm a married woman. Let go of me so I can go home to my husband and my child.
You don't know. You're a married woman. Be different. I'm the one marrying you.
What?
Yes.
No, you're not.
You're not. Is it not happening right now?
Kelly, I am not yours. Please, stop this madness, please. I'm not yours. I'm not yours.
You're not like every other married woman. Can't you get that? Get it into your skull.
You are my wife! You are my wife!
Think I'll let you go.
Dr. Davis, are you playing games with me? No. You don't know. Yeah. You don't know!
Hello? Sergeant Obi? You have him in custody? Are you sure? We are coming there right now. We are coming there now. We are coming. Sir?
Yes.
Sergeant Obi said they apprehended Mr. Kelly while trying to abscond Mr. David's wife.
Really?
Yeah.
Call him. I want to speak to him myself. Hello? Obi? Are you sure you have the right person? Where is your location? Alright, hold him tight. We're on our way now. Lucky. It seems like your corpse has resurrected in my station. Do release him. Now go home and make sure your doctor is safe. Do you hear me?
Sir, you can't just release him like that now. He must get the station.
Duru.
Sir.
Who is in charge?
It's you, sir. Sorry, sir.
Oh, shut up.
Whatever you say, you shall reap. Your choice and action matter so much in your life.
If not for one thing, for waste two of them here now. She can put you anywhere, people police work, and they share. Now people like on where they suppose sack for police.
Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I'm in but you get the way off my greediness is the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in a because
You bastard! I've been waiting for you! Pick him up. Are you okay? Pick him up. Move him to the car. Move him.
Most respected police officer in Port Harcourt has on April 18th fulfilled the promise he made on nailing at least 500 criminals before his retirement. His dream came true today as he shot the last bandit known as Mr. Kelly Osage, who wanted to kill one Dr. Davis in order to abscond with his wife and daughter.
I want him, but you won't listen.
finished. I single-handedly raised that boy. I know what I went through to get him to the level he is now. And I call him, look at. Hey, Chimo.
Mama, see, Kelly is not a thief. Don't think that they shot him because he went to steal. It's just because of this stupid love affair with somebody's wife that I warned him against.
But it is stealing. When you steal somebody's wife, it is stealing. It's even worse than stealing money.
Mama, I told him.
Finished me.
I warned him. I told him all these things, but he's too stubborn. He will not listen.
Hey, whoa! Hey, Afujemanya.
Mama, he's okay. He's not dead now. He's just in the
a
hospital.
thief. Kelly Mwamu stole somebody's wife. He didn't steal it. He can hear one. Hey! When you steal somebody's wife, God will fire you. God! Don't kill me.
Why can't you build yourself? What are you looking for outside you? Why can't you control your emotion? Cause you are born with this.
Sorry, sir. You'll be fine. We are here for you.
Why are you crying? You should be strong for my daddy and not crying.
Sorry, I won't cry again. Where's your mommy?
She just left me. Oh, here she comes.
He shouldn't be disturbed.
Greediness is the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in a because life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share. Life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share. Whatever you say, you share.
Where is he?
We're inside with him, but she asked us to leave.
Who? Who asked you to leave?
Naina asked us to go out. That he doesn't need to be disturbed.
What nonsense? What nonsense? Let me call the idiot. Hello? See, I've always monitored your wayward life. Let me tell you, if anything, I repeat, if anything should happen to Dr. David, I swear to God who made me, I will get you down. I will get you down, nothing will happen. Foolish woman, like mother, like daughter.
Oh, God.
Mama.
Kelly.
Mama, I'm sorry.
It's okay, Kelly. You'll be fine, all right? The important thing is that you are alive. The God I worship will heal you. It's okay.
Gina warned me. I would have listened to her.
It's okay. You'll be fine. I promise you.
Agatha.
So after 35 years, you still recognize me?
Why are you looking like this? Look, I'll spend the last drop of my blood to make you feel better.
Really?
What is the matter?
For 35 good years, I suffered because of you. You broke my heart. You walked out on me. You left me when I was pregnant. I suffered in poverty. I single-handedly brought up our son. And now it is time for me to enjoy the fruit of my labor. You reappear again. What have I done to you? What? No, why won't you let me rest? Why do you want to kill me?
Look, Agatha, I am sorry, but I plan to look for you and my son after my retirement. Look, but I sent money to you through my friends. And I did what I did because I didn't want the hoodlums I was fighting to come after you and my son.
Oh, your son?
Where is my son?
Your son indeed. I like the way you go. My son. Which son? If you see your son, would you recognize him? No, would you?
I am sorry. I said I am sorry. Oh my God. Look, Agatha, we can repair this, okay? We can repair this. Where is my son? Jesus.
Your son is in the hospital fighting for his life.
Kelly is my son?
Kelly is your son. Kelly is your son!
Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Oh my God, what have I done? Kelly's...
Oh yeah. Dreaming indeed.
No. I gotta put the gun down. Put the gun down, please. We can work this out. He's still alive. We can salvage this.
Okay. What's happening, madam? Get her.
No. Leave her alone. She's my wife. I shot Kelly. Kelly's my son. My only son that I never knew.
Okay. Do you mean Kelly is your son? Yes. Let's take you to hospital.
Let's take him to hospital.
I never knew.
Please, let's go, sir. Let's take him to hospital immediately. Hospital.
Agatha, please forgive me.
Let's take him to hospital first.
Please forgive me.
Sorry, sir. Woo! Sorry, sir. Hospital.
Sorry, I can't stay anymore. I've brought so much shame to this family.
I just want to go.
Mom, why do you want to kill the joy of this family? What will you gain from living? Well, it's not like you care about me and Daddy. You only care about yourself. And even if you leave, don't you ever in your life call me your daughter again.
Angel, no, that's harsh. Please, I understand how you feel, okay? You know when two adults have an issue, like one has to go. Okay, so Mom wants to leave, but she will come back after a while for you. Okay, so you don't have to be. I understand how you feel. Okay. Let's get to the kitchen and get some food. Okay.
Be careful, mind yourself in this world. Be careful, because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Life is a seed. Whatever Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Your choice and action matter so much in your life. Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I'm an enemy, you check it the way off my greediness in the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you.
My son, I have failed you as a father. And you, a beautiful wife, I have failed you too. But truly, I have missed you. You are not criminals. The case has been closed.
Sorry, sir.
And the charges dropped.
Sorry, sir.
I am sorry for the pains I caused you. I am, truly I am. I know I failed you as a son. And I failed you as a husband. Please, please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Because to err is human, and to forgive is divine. My son,
Father,
forgive me. That is all I can say. Daryl.
Sir, this is fine, sir.
Son, Father, Agatha, I planned to come and look for both of you after my retirement. But fate took its turn. This is my life's work. Everything I saved in the last 35 years.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, thank you. It may not be much, but I assure you it is very, very much. Agatha, thanks for bringing up my son single-handed. Take. It belongs to you and Kelly. Once again, forgive me for all the pains I have caused. I shall wait for both of you at home. I will wait for you at home. Okay, son.
Two miserable flats. Two miserable flats. Not even the whole building.
Your choice and action matter so much in your life. Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I believe in uche gị dịkwa ya ọfụma, greediness the killer. Appreciate your God for wetin He give you. Greediness na-egbukwa na-egbu. Because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Why can't you build yourself? What are you looking for outside you? Why can't you control your emotion? Cause you are born with the seed of success and happiness inside you. Why can't you build yourself? Oh?